What are the different types of community development laws? There are many community development laws that govern the sale of land or commercial structures. Other laws might detail where structures can be placed as well as the number and type of buildings. Property tax laws could dictate how buildings are assessed, tax rates, and penalties for non-payment. New community development often requires running new water lines, so this issue is usually addressed as well. Community development laws often deal with the sale of real properties. Some of these laws address surveying and appraising property before a deed is transferred. Others specify the manner in which land sales take place. This might be by requiring real estate agents to hold a license, or by requiring deeds to be recorded at the courthouse in a timely manner. It could also involve the process of performing a title search to make sure there are no liens or ownership issues. Zoning ordinances often play a role in community development laws. This is because some parcels of land may have restrictions on the type of structures that can be placed there. As a result, builders may not be able to place commercial buildings in a residential neighborhood. If land is zoned for residential use, statutes may further dictate the type of homes that can be placed there. Land could be designated for either single or multi-family residences, or there may be restrictions on mobile homes being placed there. In many communities, new construction is assessed by a tax revenue agent shortly after being finished. This is to determine the amount of property tax the owner must pay. Many times, this amount can be predicted by reviewing community development laws. These laws often give a time frame for assessment and the rate of tax that can be charged. They might also give guidelines for revenue agents to follow when assessing property, so the amount of tax may be calculated differently based upon whether the real estate is commercial or residential property. As a result of community development, new water lines may need to be added. Community development laws may determine if certain neighborhoods could be allowed to use public water or sewer lines rather than constructing a well or adding a septic system. Homeowners who are unable to connect to public utilities may be given specifications to use when installing a well or septic system. These must often be inspected and approved before the owner is allowed to occupy a residence.